Hey guys, I am going to show you how to make a bingo card because tomorrow, Thursday, and Friday, I'm hoping to have a little fun during our Google Meets and play a game or two of bingo each of the days. So I'm going to show you how to make your bingo cards so you're ready to go during the Google Meet on Thursday and Friday. Okay, so you only need 4 things: a plain piece of paper and then a writing utensil. I'm going to use a pencil, so if I mess up, I can erase it. You'll need scissors and then a ruler. I don't have a ruler here at my house, so I'm just going to use the edge of this binder for my straight edge. You can use a book and use the end of the book if you need that. Anything with a straight edge that you can make a straight line. Okay, we're going to get 4 bingo cards out of just the 1 piece of paper. So in order to do that, we need to make 4 sections. So you're going to go ahead and fold the piece of paper in half. Make a nice crease. Doesn't have to be perfect. Unfold it. So now we have 2. Now we're going to fold it the other way. Doesn't have to be perfect again. Okay, just going to be bingo cards that we're probably going to end up tossing anyway. So make a good and nice crease. So then here are my 4 sections. Right? After I have my 4 sections, one of these each is going to be a bingo card. So I'm going to get 4 cards. So I have to cut this out. Not perfect, just doing my best kind of to cut it out quickly here. I'm going to be the only one who's using the cards, so it doesn't have to be perfect because nobody else is going to see them. Okay, so here are my 4 cards. Okay, so now I'm going to start with 1 card, and bingo has 5 letters, B-I-N-G-O, so that means I'm going to need 5 columns to go up and down across my card. And then after bingo, there's 5 numbers under each letter. So bingo across the top, and then you need 5 numbers under that. So it's going to be 5 columns across the top, and then 6 rows down the side. Okay, so you're going to need to make 6 rows. So that means you only need to do 5 lines. So, and they don't have to be even or perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to push this a little bit into the card a little bit. Can't even see where it's at or how far, so I'll just make my straight line. Move it a little bit, 1 line, 2 lines. I need 5 lines because I need 6 rows. 3 lines, 4 lines, move it a little bit more, and 5 lines. So I drew 5 lines, and that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows across my cards. Okay, they don't have to be even. They're not evenly spaced out, as you can tell. That's okay. It doesn't matter. All right, so I have my 6 rows, and I'm going to need my 5 columns. So for 5 columns, I only need to make 4 lines. 1, move it over a little bit. 2, move it over a little bit. 3, move it over a little bit. And 4. Right? So here I have my 6 rows across and my 5 columns up and down. Right? Bingo goes across the top of your card. So B-I-N-G-O. And then if you play bingo a lot, you'll know that the middle space on your card is always a free space. So I'm going to go 2 down and then 2 in. And the exact middle one right here, I'm going to color in, or you can write free space on it if you want. Just shade it in to know that that one automatically gets covered. That one doesn't have a number in it. Okay, so my card is ready, except I'm missing my numbers. So you get to choose your own numbers to fill in for each letter. So in B, under your letter B, you need to choose any letter numbers from 1 to 15. Okay, so I'm just going to randomly choose some numbers that pop into my head and write them under B. You need numbers 16 to 30. Again, just thinking of some numbers that I think of really quick. It's from 16 to 30, fill them in. N is going to be 31 to 45. G needs to be 46 to 60. And then O needs to be 61 to 75. Right? So I have 1 bingo card made. If you want, you can flip the card over and do the same thing on the back with your lines and your numbers. And then you'd have 2 cards from just the 1 slip. Or you have 3 other ones from your piece of paper. So do this same thing to make 3 other cards. Okay? You can pick the same numbers if you want, or you can pick completely different numbers. Bingo is going to be random when I call the letters and the numbers, so you can pick the same numbers and see how it goes, or you can pick completely different numbers for each card and see how that goes, okay? All right, I look forward to playing bingo with you guys. If you want to join, we'll be playing Thursday during our Google Meet and Friday during our Google Meet in the morning. So if you want to play, come with your cards ready to go. All right, I will see you guys then, and I'm hoping to have some fun.